This is my photo tracker backpack, a Lowepro photo tracker camera bag. It's been my favorite bag for about 20 years, and it fell into disuse because the zipper failed. It wasn't always pulling closed, so you had to be careful with it because it could pop open, and eventually the zipper pulls cracked and broke, and so then I thought this bag was done for, and I'm going to have to replace the zipper, I thought. And when I checked around with some repair shops, they would look at the bag and it would be almost impossible to replace the zipper, to sew in a new zipper on the bag, just do the construction of the bag. So it got tossed into the corner and it sat there for too long, but it was my favorite bag. I wanted to get this bag restored. So I stayed on it again. After months I take it into another shop and they looked at it and go, well, there's nothing wrong with the zipper, it's just the pulls that are the problem. The teeth are good on the zipper. So what they did was undo the stitching down at the bottom of the bag, down at the bottom of the zipper, pulled the zipper out of the bag, just 1 or 2 inches of the zipper, and removed the pulls off the zipper. And they had a lot of zipper pulls in their shop, and none of them fit, either too big or too small. So that was the next obstacle in this bag repair. Okay, what type of pull do I need? They're YKK zippers, they're good zippers. And for whatever reason, there was no information on the back of these pulls. If we take a look at other Lowepro products, here's a smaller Lowepro bag. If I take a look on the back, it's a YKK zipper, it's a number 8. And I found out, sizing these zippers, the width of the closed zipper in millimeters is how they size them. So I'm getting over 7 millimeters on this, but not 8. But on the back of the pull, it is a number 8 zipper. I have an even larger bag here, a Lowepro photo tracker 650, an insanely large bag. It has a very large zipper on it. And I measure 10 millimeters across this zipper. And if I take a look on the back of the pull, it's a YKK number 10. So this bag that needs repair, I measure it, and I'm getting just over 8 millimeters according to my eyeballs. I can see this smaller bag here had a number 8 zipper on it, and that's smaller than this one. This very large 650 had a number 10. Well, it's not that big. So that told me this is a number 9 zipper on here. I do find YKK number 9 zipper pulls at the Sewing Supply Depot in Toronto, $1.50 each. Those zipper pulls were exactly what I needed. I started the 2 zipper pulls onto the zipper down at the bottom and restitched the zipper back into the bag. There's some tricks into starting a zipper pull onto a zipper, and there's videos online that'll show you how to get that started. Not too difficult, just some little tricks to help with that. And then I stitched the zipper back into the bag using a heavy needle and some very strong thread. It doesn't look pretty, but it works. I've had this bag out many times in the last 6 months since I repaired it with no issues. So what I thought was going to be a big repair zipper replacement on a bag was just, in fact, just the zipper pulls. So for $3, I have my Lowepro photo tracker back. I'll probably get another 20 years out of it.